Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 47. Часть 1. Страница 103, 104, 105. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 47. Part number 1. Page number 103, 104, 105. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 103. Exercise number 3. Read the text and complete the list. Прочитай текст и закончи список. When I was young. This is a photo of me when I was young. I was really noisy. My favorite food was carrots. I still love carrots. My favorite animal was my cat, Fluffy. Fluffy and I are the same age. But the best thing of all was my bike. It was really cool. When I was young, the answer. My favorite food was carrots. My favorite animal was my cat. My favorite thing was my bike. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. What were you like when you were a baby? Tell the class. Каким был ты, когда был маленьким? Расскажи классу. The answer. This is a photo of me when I was 4. I was a really noisy boy. My favorite food was apples, but now I don't like them. My favorite animal was my dog, Снежок. It was big and white. Снежок and I were very happy to play together. But the best thing of all was my Lego cars. They were really cool. The answer number 2. Hello, this is me when I was 3. I was a very shy girl. My favorite food was porridge with berries. I still love it. My favorite animal was my cat, Пушок. It was little and black, but the best thing of all was my scooter. It was really cool. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Write about what you were like when you were a baby. Use your ideas from exercise number 4. Draw stick pictures. Напиши про себя, когда ты был маленьким. Используй свои идеи из упражнения 4. Нарисуй или принеси фотографии. The answer. Hello, this is me when I was a little boy. I was really noisy. My favorite food was sweets, and now I like them very much. My favorite animal was my parrot, Gru. It was really big, and it was red, blue, and yellow. But the best thing of all was my scooter. It was really cool. Fun time. Tongue twisters. Say the following sentences as fast as you can. Время веселья. Скороговорки. Скажи следующее предложение так быстро, как сможешь. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had not hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? A noisy noise, a nose, an oyster. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 104. 104. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Look and put the letters in order. Посмотри и расставь буквы в правильном порядке. The answer. Scared, angry, late, thirsty, tired, hungry, worried, bored. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and write the names. Прочитай и напиши имена. The answer. Mike, Mother, Peter, Steve. Mike. Mom, what was I like when I was a baby? Was I naughty? Mom, no, Mike, you weren't. You were a very quiet baby. Mike, what were Steve and Peter like? Mom, Steve was very naughty. Peter was noisy. Mike, noisy? Wow. What about Mother? What was she like? Mom, Mother was very shy, but you were all very cute. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 105. Exercise number 3. Find 6 words. Then complete the sentences. Найди 6 слов. Затем закончи предложение. The answer. Worried, tired, angry, thirsty, scared, bored. He's very worried about the maths test. I'm very tired. I want to go to bed. My mom's angry because I'm late for school again. I'm thirsty. Is there any juice? Stop that story about ghosts. Sue is so scared. I'm so bored. Is there anything on TV? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete the text. Прочитай и закончи текст. The answer. Number 1, park. Number 2, library. Number 3, butchers. Number 4, bakery. Number 5, buildings. Number 6, supermarket. Number 7, cinema. Number 8, cars. 60 years ago, small town was very small. There was a park and a library. There was a butcher's and a bakery too. The people in small town were very happy. Now, small town is not very small. There are a lot of buildings around the park. There is a big supermarket and a beautiful cinema. There are a lot of cars in the streets. People in small town are not very happy. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn